some part of subtraction lesson which we have already done. Okay, now we will start our day as usual with prayer. हम लोग हमेशा स्कूल में प्रेयर लेते हैं. We begin our school with prayer. Similarly, here also online lesson we are going to start with a सरस्वती पूजन. सरस्वती का प्रेयर करेंगे and join your hands and ready for prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes, bow your head, and sing along with me. My salutation to Goddesses Saraswati, who can take any form, who is the bestower of all boons, and start learning from with the prayer to her. Next, today's topic is subtraction. In maths, we are learning four basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We have already completed our entire syllabus for the year, but now we are going to revise all lessons which we have already learned. Now, out of these lessons, one which very important topic is a subtraction. Subtraction means what? One number is given. Suppose one number is given and we are taking out another number from that number. One bigger number is given, and from that bigger number we are subtracting, taking out another number. For example, suppose we are having 5 chocolates. Out of these 5 chocolates, if suppose I ate 2 chocolates, how many chocolates now I'm having with me? That is called subtraction. This is what we are doing in our daily life. Every now and then we are going in the market for buying fruits or vegetables or anything. We are giving money and taking back some money, giving some amount and taking back some amount. So this is called subtraction. Now let us see. Let us revise this topic, subtraction. Now we can see on this our screen, some signs are there. One is slipping line. This is sign of subtraction. Then one question mark, and then equal to sign, and then one box. These 4 signs and some numbers. We are going to play with these signs, and we are going to play with some numbers also. And from this play and game, we are going to revise our this today's topic, subtraction. Okay, children. Now see the next screen. See here, we can see one number is written 6 minus 3, and then equal to sign and one box. Now this is very simple subtraction, and we have all done this in our first standard or even in our junior class also. But what subtraction is exactly, that concept we are going to learn today. Suppose one ladder is there or staircase is there. For example, addition means we are climbing up on that staircase. Subtraction means we are coming down from that staircase. We can see here on this screen, one colorful track is there, number track. 6 minus 3. Now see the number 6 on the color track, red color 6. Okay, we are standing there. And from that 6, we are going to subtract minus 3. It means subtract करने का मतलब हमको reverse, उल्टा आने का, staircase में से हमको we are coming down from upside, right? Now see, the arrows are seen or shown over here. 6 से first जब हम लोग ने back लिया, first step going back, that reaches on 5. Then one more step backward, that we are reaching on number 4. Then one more step backward, and we are finally reaching on number 3. That means 6 minus 3. 6 में से हम लोग ने 3 minus किया, तो we are going back from 6. We are moving backward, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, and finally we are reaching on number 3. Similarly, see one more example. Very good. Now see one more example. 11 minus 5. Now again we can see color track below this where we can see number 11 is there. And from that number 11, we are going to come back 5 places backward. We are going to 5 places backward. 11 to 10, 10 to 9, 9 to 8, 8 to 7, and 7 to 6. See, we are standing at 11, and from 11, we are coming backward. 11 to 10, one step back, one more step back, 9, one more step back, 8, one more step back, 7, and the last fifth step is on landing on number 6. So our answer is 6. Very good, children. Sanskrit, very good. Now see one more example so that it will be more easier for you. Now in this problem, 6 minus 1 empty box is there, and the answer is given after equal to, what is that number? Number 4. That is what answer of subtraction. But here one number is missing. Which number we are subtracting from 6? That is not given. That we have to find out. How we will find out this? Now see, as usual, one color track is there below the example, and 6, we are standing at 6. From 6, where we have to go? We have to go to the 4. So from 6 to 4, how to go from 6 to 4? 6 से हम लोग 4 पे जाने के लिए हमको 2 स्टेप बैकवर्ड लेना पड़ेगा. बैकवर्ड 2 steps taking backward. 6 to first step backward, 5, landing on 5. Then from 5, one more step backward, and we are reaching at 4. So how many steps we took? We took 2 steps, right? So the answer number which was missing, which was not there in that box, that was number 2, right? 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, do you understand this? Yes, Payal and Aditi, your answers are correct. Very good, children. Now next, see the next example. 8 minus, again that empty box is there. Which number we are subtracting from it? That is not given, but final answer is given 5. So first of all, try to understand, we are standing at 8. We are standing at number 8 on the ladder, on the staircase. We are standing at number 8, and from there we are going to get down some steps downward, right? And we are going to reach at 5. Okay, now see, we are standing at 8, and now we are going to take first step. This will take us to 7. Next step we will reach at 6, and third step we will reach at the 5, right? So how many steps we took? 3 steps. Sanskrit and Krish, right answer, dear. Very good. Now you are too fast. I hope you understand the concept of subtraction. Let us see one more example. 14 minus, again empty box, and answer is 10. It means we are standing at 14. See, the color ladder is given below, color track is given, and we are standing at 14. And how many steps we have to take to reach 10? First step backward reaches at 13. One more step backward reaches at 12. One more step backward reaches at 11. And fourth step, we are reaching at 10. So 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. Okay, very good, very good. Good, children. See, next one more example. Now see, number is not given. One number is there, and from that number we are going to subtract 4, and answer is going to be a 5, right? It means which number is given, that from which number we are going to subtract 4, that is not given, but we are going to take 4 steps backward, and where we are going to reach, we are going to reach at 5. Now see, stand at 5, and now move ahead. Take a first step, it will land on 6. One more step, second step, you will reach at 7. Third step, you will take and reach number 8. And the fourth step, we are reaching at 9. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Imran Khan, very good. Aditi, very good. Very good, children. You all are answering, and that to correct answers you all are giving. Very good, children. Now see one more example. Dash box, empty box, minus 5, empty box is given. From that empty box, that is not exactly empty, some number is there, missing number is there, and we are going to subtract 5 from that missing number, and answer is going to be 8. So stand at 8. Where is number 8? 8 number is here in the color ladder. See their color ladder below. On we are standing at the number of 8, place number 8, and from there we are going to climb up. First step we are reaching at 9, second step we are reaching at 10, third step we are reaching at 11, fourth step we are reaching at 12, and the fifth step we are reaching at 13. So 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Very good, Imran. See one more example. I hope you all are understanding the way we are solving this. Now, some more interesting problem. Now, this time, color ladder is not there for your help. Direct subtraction we are going to do. And see, numbers are given 12 minus 5. Box is given. In that box, whatever answer we are getting, we are going to write. 12 minus 5. How much we are getting? Yes, we know 7 answer. Very good. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 5 is equal to 8. Now next problem, see. 8 minus dash empty box is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Next problem, empty box minus 2. Empty box means some number is there, minus 2 is equal to 5. That is 7 minus 5. 13 minus dash is equal to 7. That is 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Very good, Aditi. Shital, very good. Now dash minus 7 is equal to 2. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 15 minus 3. Ashish, 15 minus 3. Mohammed, answer this question. 15 minus 3, 12. Very good. Geeta, very good. Jamuna, very good. Now see some more problems. Let us see some more problem. Now see, this is subtraction grid. Kind of number grid is there, which we learn right from junior classes, first to 100. Now see, in this grid, we can see all that numbers which we have learned already. 1 to 100 में जो number सीखा है वो number सब लिखा हुआ है. Now, using this grid, we are going to see the more interesting subtraction problems. Okay, see the next. Now see, 24 minus 6. Can you see this? What is 24 minus 6? Okay, now see, see the number 24. From 24 number, one star is moving, and it will move. This is moving backward from 24 to 23, 22, 21, now 20, then 19, then 18. Very good. Understand? So answer is 18. See this yellow color star, which was on 24 initially, and then it started moving backward. It went to the 23, then 22, then 21, then 20, 19, and finally it stopped at the number 18. So our answer is 18. See one more problem. 46 minus 9. Now see the star is on 46, right? From 46, it will start moving backward. 45, then 44, 9 places backward, then 43, 3, 42, then 41, then 40, 39, 38, and the ninth place is 37. So our answer is 37. 46 minus 9 is equal to 37. Do you understand this? Isn't this interesting? Now see one more slate. Now see 73 minus 35. 73 minus 35. Now 73 to 10 steps together, 63, then 53, then 43, and now 5 more steps, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, answer is 38, right? Very good. Very good, children. Now see, next problem, next slate, 89 minus 70. 89 minus 10, 79. 79 minus 10, 69. 69 minus 10, 59. 59 minus 10, 49. 49 minus 10, 39. And 39 minus 10, 29. Okay. And one more 10, 19. So answer is 19. Okay. 89 minus 70. So 71, 1 number 77, 1, 2, 3. This way it will be lengthy. So what we have done, 89 minus 10, 79. 79 minus 1 more 10, that is 69. 69 minus 1 more 10, that is 59. 59 minus 1 more 10, that is 49. 49 minus 1 more 10, 39. 39 minus 1 more 10, 29. And the 77th 10 is a 19. Okay. Now see the next. Some examples are given here. Now you all have to try 33 minus 77. So find out where is 33 in this grid, number grid. 33. Okay, see the red star is start shining here on 33. Now how many steps we are going to go back? 7 steps. First step is 32. Second is 31. Third is 30. Then next is 29. Next is 28. 27 and 26. So our answer is what? How much? 26 is our answer. Exact. Now in this way, you all have to try and solve the next problem. 47 minus 47 minus 39. See, where is 47? Number 47 is here. See, 47. 47, blue color star. Can you see here? 47 minus 39. So 39, 1, 1, 1 each time. 39 is not possible. So what we are going to do, step by step, we are going to subtract 10. 49 minus 10. Sorry, 47 minus 10, 37. 37. 37 minus 10, 27. 27 minus 10, 17. And then after 1, 2, 3, this way, it's a 8. Answer is 8. Understand, children? Now try to solve remaining this. 80 minus 66, 92 minus 34, and 99 minus 78. Janki, start solving. Good. Now see, third problem. 80 minus 12. And our answer is 12. Now next is 92 minus 34. 92 minus 34. See at the top, 92 minus 34, right? 92 minus 10, 82. 82 minus 10, 72. 72 minus 10, 62. Now 30 is done, 4 is remaining. 4 steps we are going to move backward. 61, 60, 59, and 58. Right? So our answer is 58. Good. Now see the last problem, 99 minus 78. 99 minus 78. Where is 99? Look at this purple star, 99 minus 78. So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract 70 and then minus 8. 99 minus 10, 89. 89 minus 10, 79. 79 minus 10, 69. 69 minus 10, 59. 59 minus 10, 49. 49 minus 10, 39. 39 minus 10, 29. Right? From 99, we have already subtracted 70. Now we are going to subtract 8 more digits. Right? We are going backward, 29 to 28, 28 to 27, 27 to 26, 26 to 25, 25 to 24, 24 to 23, then 22 and 21. So our answer is 21. Right? Very good, Imran, Geeta, Roshan, Vikas Kumar. Very good. You are all giving correct answer. 21, 21. Very good. Very good, children. Now, see, some more interesting game is there.